Should I take my own car? Yeah, we can get videos of both. Josh! Why'd you gotta get COVID?
Grip at first.
I know.
Then I turned off traction control.
Oh.
Nice. Holy crap, smell the rubber.
Oh yeah.
Can I try drifting your car?
Yeah.
Okay. Sick.
Nothing like front wheel drive. Oh, it's weird to get used to. Okay, one more time.
Okay.
Okay.
Traction control off, it turns on just a tiny bit.
Yeah?
Yeah, because you can see it flashing and then it limits power.
Stop it.
Alright. Well, you want to hop in?
Okay.
Okay.
The sand is so grippy.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, a little bit. You ditched it. Oh, look at the brakes just steaming.
There we go.
Oh, it's all good.
Target. We're literally just walking away.
When are you coming?
I'll probably leave shortly. Where are you guys drifting?
Boat launch.
Oh, okay. Down by your house.
Yeah.
What? There's so much sand that it's so grippy that even with traction control off, it's still grippy.
Crazy stuff.
Well, hurry up.
Okay. Yeah, I'll leave shortly. I'll meet you. I'll let you guys know when I'm close, and you guys can meet me at Owen's house or whatever.
Yep. Okay.
Okay. See you guys shortly.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.
It's so grippy. One more, okay? I'll come in hot.
Too much grip.
Yeah, I know, it's hard. So we're gonna go pick up Brad because his car won't start and his hood won't unlatch. Okay, let's go pick up this bum. Yeah. Bumming rides off us. We're driving like f***ing turtles. Ford. Exactly.
What a little Donnie. Boosting his car now. I think I'll start. You'll be fine.
I will not start. History shows over the last couple weeks it will not start. Remember that.
Brad's having trouble with his car. He's calling it a piece of shit. He's pretty mad at it. The battery won't start. He needs rear brakes. His elbow drive won't work. He needs a wheel bearing. His tire goes flat. Man. Yeah, he's just not having a good time. Look, Will. Your Corolla's here. Morgan's here and your mom's here. What are you doing?
What is that? The moment of truth, is it gonna start?
Yeah, is it gonna start?
Start it!
No need
What
to
the
sell it.
fuck? To Owen's house we go, boys!
I mean, we could.
Wait, you took the highway?
No, the back road.
Yeah, we did too.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, you guys must have flew. I was barely on the gas.
We were going 70.
I was going like 40.
Why?
It doesn't sound like me, does it?
It's a 60.
I need rear brakes. I need a gas tank. I need a battery. I need my front bumper painted and installed. I don't remember what else I need. Did I say anything else?
Well, you have oil.
Looks healthy to me. I got
Can't even
oil.
pop his own trunk.
Can't even pop my own trunk.
It was his hood. He popped it, no problem.
We're going to drift and then we're going to go watch UFC 270.
What are you choking on, Owen?
None of your business.
Francis Ngannou versus Cyril Gain. I think these are mine.
We're not gonna tap the snowbank. Yeah, okay, cool. Oh, we're tapping it. We're tapping it. Oh my gosh. I don't know, Cole. Did you tap it?
Well, only one way to find out.
Oh my gosh, Cole.
Wow. Not really.
You just spit it on me.
I'm getting out your side.
Okay.
Just wait until you see it.
Oh, really?
Not on video.
Oh, don't worry. It won't be on video. Oh, like.